know why I let you talk me into coming here. There is obviously nothing going on between them.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the bathroom and I'm going home. I don't want Mike to catch me here.
It's only been 10 minutes. She could be waiting to make her move. Oh, come on. You're not going to beat a girl like that by knocking off early.
It's not a competition.
The hell it isn't.
Good night, Edie.
Suit yourself. But for the record, I was rooting for you to land him.
And why would you root for me?
Well, I figured it'd be easier for me to steal Mike from you than her. She seems like fun.
Oh, God. Mike! What a small world.
Yeah, it sure is. I caught Edie hiding in the back.
No kidding. Is she here?
Yeah. Yeah, she said the jig is up, and then she went to ride the bull. Oh, and she said you two came together.
Oh, well, yeah, we did. I just thought she left.
Are you following me?
What? No, I just came here, with Edie. We just love to ride that bull.
You ride the bull?
Yeah, it's a real rush.
Come on, Susan, give me a break.
No, you give me a break. I did not follow you here, and even if I had followed you here, it's just because you've been so secretive about Kendra.
Kendra and I are friends.
And I came here to ride the bull.
Woo! We got another one to ride the bull! Okay, little dog. You're up.
Oh, fun. I'm a doggy. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah. I'm here to ride this bull. Check it out. Woo! Okay. Yeah. Woo! Baby. Woo! Everybody's looking at me, aren't they?
Just the slapstick fans.
Oh, God, why couldn't I have just been knocked unconscious?
Here?
Absolutely. Oh. Ow. Ow. Ow.
Susan, this is Kendra.
We've been introduced.
No, this is Kendra. We've been friends for years. She's here on a visit. She's leaving tomorrow. That's it.
It's true. I have no designs on this man whatsoever.
I'll be right back.
Sorry about the misunderstanding.
Me too.
So, how long have you two been seeing each other?
Well, he sort of interrupted our first date. But up until then, smoking hot tension. Sounds pathetic, I know.
No, I think it's good to take it slow. You be smart to be careful.
Any particular reason?
Look, Mike's a wonderful guy. Really. But you should ask him why he moved to Wisteria Lane. It's one hell of a story.
All right, here, I got some ice. Here you go.
Thanks.
Oh, come on. You're not going to beat a girl like that by knocking off early. Oh, come on. You're not going to beat a girl like that by knocking off early. I was rooting for you to land him.
And why would you root for me?
I was rooting for you to land him.
And why would you root for me?
I have no designs on this man whatsoever. I have no designs on this man whatsoever.